The best ways to build an affiliate marketing plan. An affiliate marketing program can be a great way to bring in extra income without much effort. If you're not sure how to get started, or if you are worried that it may be too difficult, you'll want to watch this video. Here you'll learn some great tips for getting started with affiliate marketing. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for companies that offer front-end as well as back-end commissions. This will allow you to earn multiple commissions from each customer that you refer to the affiliate company's site, and allow you to develop a long-term relationship with your affiliate company. Focus on the sell-through, not just the number of clicks. Remember, affiliate marketing is not about the number of page views, it's about the number of people who follow through and buy. Just bringing someone to a page won't make you any money, so make sure the customer has a reason to want to buy what you are offering. The most successful affiliate marketers never drop a naked link to an affiliate product into a loosely related webpage. Savvy webmasters use focused content to lead to affiliate product links. Reviews, fact sheets, and the gentlest of sales pitches are good ways to lead website visitors to an affiliate link and get them in a receptive frame of mind. Lifetime commissions are a rare commodity in affiliate marketing these days. However, it doesn't hurt to seek these programs out, as they can be highly rewarding. Vendors will pay a commission each time a product is sold to a customer that a webmaster brought in. Most of the time, the commission will only be paid out if the customers makes their purchase within a certain time window. This type of affiliation is the most desired. As you've seen, affiliate marketing programs can be quite easy to set up and the rewards can be significant. A successful program can increase your income without requiring much investment. Just remember what you've learned from this video, and soon you too can begin enjoying the rewards of a successful affiliate marketing program. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.